So I was honored and privileged to teach online last year at UIII by the invitation of Dean Mas Philip and Rector Pak Komar. I was very impressed and happy to see a diverse group of students from multiple countries with deep intellectual curiosity. That master class, the one I taught, the only country, Indonesia, out of the United States. So what makes me happy is that not only Indonesia is very crucial for the future of the Muslim world as the largest Muslim democracy, but also this institution, UIII, as an Islamic international university, bringing together social sciences and Islamic studies, bringing together Muslims all over the world, many continents. So there was intellectual freedom and academic freedom for me to teach and design my syllabus. And with students for one semester we had truly interdisciplinary discussion, bringing together political science, sociological perspectives, also literature about Islamic studies. We discussed big questions such as what is the source of underdevelopment in the Muslim societies? How can we compare authoritarianism and democratic progress? What are the differences historically between the West and the Muslim world and the rest of the world? And especially as in my Islam book I discuss what was the source of Muslim achievement in their golden era, early Islamic history, and how can we reproduce it today, reproduce a renaissance and economic and philosophical progress. So my students were really enriching the discussion. I'm truly looking forward to teach again in UIII, and now I'm here physically in the campus, which makes me happy. My first visit to Jakarta, Indonesia, and we are with Mas Philips also working on a new journal, Muslim World Review, published by the University UIII. I look forward to long-term cooperation with the university in terms of both teaching, both the journal publication and academic research. And I'm happy to see that UIII is now having PhD program, and I wish success to all of my students in their future career. Thanks for hosting me in your campus.